Everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the elephant on the 24 block Rubik's Twist. So let's do it. Basically you have to, so you can just start either way and then count 1, 2, 3 blocks. 1, 2 blocks, and then turn that 2 times, and then count 1 and turn that 2 times, and then count. So turn it. So 2 blocks, turn it. 1 block, turn it, and then 2 blocks, turn it, and then 1 block, turn it. Okay, so now you've got that shape. Those are the legs of the elephant. And now, so you're gonna hold that block and turn that towards you, like that. And then, so facing it from that side, you're gonna count 1, 2, and then turn that to the back, like that. Okay, now looking at it from this way, you're going to count 1 block and then turn that second one to the, turn it, so looking at it like this, turn it to the right. And then you're going to hold that block and then turn everything else 2 times, like that. And then, so turn this block down, so it's like that. And then this won't match up, but so looking at it from this side, count 1 block and then turn the second one towards you. And then now it'll fit. Okay? And then so we count, and then we just turn this, so turn this block 2 times. And then turn this block to the back. Okay, and then now it's looking at it like this. Count 1 block and then turn that backwards like that, and then now, and then turn the last 2 blocks down, and there you go, you have the elephant. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.